Hey everybody, it's Megan Elizabeth, and you can find me over at bymeganelizabeth.com. Today I wanted to show you a quick, fast-forwarded version of a chalkboard Nate and I did during a Facebook Live, and we're going to get started right now. However, I wanted to share with you how to create this really awesome rustic wood-framed chalkboard using 4 different colors and our favorite transfer called Mountains Calling. It's so perfect for our home and lifestyle, and we just love it. It's an 18 by 24 inch frame, and we're using 4 different colors. I'm going to remove it from its backing sheet, simply peel it, and place it. Now, one of the things that I recommend doing on chalkboards and other things with transfers when they're brand new, this one was already used before, but when they're brand new, you actually want to fuzz it first. And I'm showing you a few other transfers here as well. But fuzzing it is actually placing it on a towel to get just a little bit of lint on there for its first time use. And then select your chalk paste. I'm going to go over a few tips with you here. The colors I would recommend using are the colors Bark, Fawn, Garden Herb, and Fresh Linen. They're beautiful browns and greens and cream colors, and when you get your chalk paste home, you're just going to want to give them a good stir. If they start to dry out at all, you can mist them with a little bit of water, which you see I have my little water bottle there, and I'm just stirring it with a plastic or silicone stir. I use the Chalk Couture multi-purpose tool, but back then I was just using a simple plastic bone folder and just wiping it off between each use. But you just want it to be a creamy yogurt-like consistency, and give it a good stir, and just like I said, spritz in a little bit of water. It is a water-based washable product. I'm just going to grab a squeegee, and I'm going to work in the colors around the transfer that I want to do. So I did green for the trees and the burst around the mountains and around the sides of the bear. I used the brown, which is either the mocha or the bark color, and squeegeed that across the actual mountains, and then utilized the fawn or the fresh linen color to go over the mountains are calling, I must go. And you just want to squeegee it across. You can remove any excess as you go and scrape it right back into the container, so there's no waste at all. You can see I have a rainbow of colors here to choose from. There's so many gorgeous colors available at steppingstonedecor.com. You can check out, and using that awesome fresh linen color in there. Now I'm just taking a wet paper towel and I'm placing it over the top, and that'll help keep everything moist as I'm working on these larger transfers across the bigger platform. And so I'm using, obviously, the mocha brown on the bear and on the stump or rock. And I just want to make sure that everything stays wet, because if the chalk paste dries on top of your transfer, it'll actually peel up when you go to remove your transfer. And I like to avoid that happening. So keeping that wet paper towel over there is a really great tip as you continue to work down the transfer. And then you can just peel it from the top, literally just peel it back, peel it slow. You want to make sure that you go from the top, not from the sides or from the angle, because you don't want it to stretch or morph. But just like that, our Mountains Are Calling chalkboard, and like I said, it's huge, 18 by 24 inches, is done. It'll dry in just a matter of moments. It'll actually harden on there, and it'll stay there until you scrub or wash it off. You don't have to worry about setting it or doing any type of thing over top of this on your chalkboard, and you're good to go. I hope you come visit us again at Enjoy the moments, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.